Hi guys, this is Level Crossing fan here, and this level crossing is at Olympic Highway in Illabo. The train's just on the way now, so the crossing should go off any second. Here we go. Okay, the train's coming up from Illabo now. Boom gates are going up. So this is the first crossing. I've also filmed with a Western Cullen Hayes mechanical bell and a Western Cullen Hayes bell and Westinghouse hybrid bell at it. So good bell mixture here. Just over to the other side now, so I'll show you something. I think. Just wait for these cars to go by. Show you the train's now going down to Cootamundra. It's the first crossing I've filmed with a GRS boomgate mechanism. But anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more level crossing videos from my New South Wales holiday. See you then.